day, I stopped at Burger King and got a Whopper Bacon King and a side salad with ranch dressing. And I got a soda sitting there. And this is about noon, and this is my first meal of the day. Talk to you later. Alrighty guys, here's my dinner. It is cheesy Brussels sprouts with 2 of the leftover buffalo legs from yesterday. And it is almost 9 o'clock at night, so this is definitely going to close out my day. I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Blessings.